Everybody, welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Market Outlook for the new week. I believe for those who joined us for last week, I was the Outlook. I believe we all were able to make crazy money because all the pairs which we released, we traded, everything played out accordingly. It was crazy, super interestingly accurate. And in case you missed that, I would advise that you watch one of the previous videos on Sunday, the one we did market outlook last week, so you can see the level of our accuracy here. So in case you're just joining for the very first time, I want to urge you, please and please don't forget to subscribe. And of course, if you like and if in this videos uh, seems to be interesting to you, you can give it a thumbs up and of course drop your question. You will definitely attend to them. So without wasting much of our time, this week we'll be showing you some of the pairs we'll be looking into. And of course, you should know that any of those pairs we look into will definitely what played out massively well. And of course, as our according to our bias. So just like everything has always been so. So let me show you some of the pairs we'll be looking out for this new week. We have about 5 to 6 of them, and we'll be selecting them one after the other. And let's dive into it. This is a new week already. It's a new week, and we expect a massive one. First one, we'll be looking at Euro USD. Of course, we took a buy here and we took a long here. We hope to make a lot of money. It's coming back to the same place again. So I expect if once we see a confirmation that is showing that it will not take away this low, and a confirmation around this point, we'll be looking to long as well. That is on Euro USD, provided you give us a confirmation. But right now, there is nothing like it here. It's not looking at it right now. Yes, it's not looking at it right now because I used to tell people that it's not about market coming to your zone. It's about having the right place to execute, having knowing the right strategies, knowing the right candlestick end. We have about 20 of them that we give to our students for free. If you need that, just comment. I need the candlestick confirmation end. We'll send it to your email. Just comment on this video below. We'll send it to you. Okay. Aha, that's good. So the next pair we'll be looking out for, aside from that, is card JPY. I'm looking at card JPY as well. We're going at card JPY. So that remind me, in case you're not on our Telegram, you are really missing. This is the place you should be because last week upper one we do about 23 straight and we won all. This week we threw about 14. We won all massively all. So I will want to urge you, please and please, you can look at this around this video below and join us on Telegram so you can always make on with us. Our signals has been so crazy and so accurate lately. Since September, we've been having a crazy winning streak, crazy ones. So this is what you want to miss. So why not join us on the Telegram and let's do this together. So on chart JPY, we're looking for what a short. You can see the market structure. The structure is so pure, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Can you see? So pure. So we're looking at a short on this pair. Aside from that, we'll also be looking at a buy on this one too. We'll be looking at a buy on Euro card. Let's go there. Euro card. Yeah, I'm looking at a buy on this Euro card. A possible buy around this place. If this market will reject it and then give us confirmation around here, we're looking at a buy. You can see we touch our conjure, touch the second one, fourth one, then fourth. So it might actually break this out, but we're looking at a buy around here. Let me also show you as well. Let me show you from the bigger time frame. Can you see? This level is a strong level. This is a stronger level and on a stack level. So that's why we'll be considering a buy. The buy here they give us a market give us the renting around here. But we will be watching so patiently. Once it takes away this place, then it's coming back to this point. It will divide, it will be invalid. So we have to be very patient and wait for it. Otherwise, it will take away this low and come down to this point. Aside from that, we'll be looking at USD card, USD CHF as well. We'll be looking at a short on this as well. You can see the structure. This is just a downward, purely downward market. And of course, let me show you. And of course, we're looking at to short it. Okay, awesome. Can you see we're looking at the short here? Once it comes there, we're looking to short. If it doesn't come there, we'll let it go. I bet you guys will. I won't take it. If it comes here, that's when I take it. If it doesn't come here, I'll let it go. And then after coming here, I expect it to come here so that I can do a long buy. This is the interesting one for me because this is more or less like more or less about 1 ratio 4. So and it gives us crazy pips about 200 pips and above. So this is what I am more interested on. Aside from that, and this is and then the last one, but not the least, is AUDJPY. AUDJPY. Can you see AUDJPY will be looking for what? A short at this point, a short market at this point. That is making 5 or 6. So those are the, of course, those are the outlook. Those are the market you'll be looking at for this new week. Please don't miss them. And if you want to trade along with us, one of execute some of them along with us. Don't forget to join us on our Telegram. It's free. We have our VIP also that is free. I hope you know that. Yes, our VIP is free. We don't sell signals here. We offer it for free. So you can click the link around this video or request for the link. We'll send it to you so you can join us and as well join our VIP for free. Am I talking? So that is what we were looking at and what we will be looking at for this week. And of course, you should know that these are very, very good setup and they will definitely come our way and come our direction for sure. I'm just talking about all of them. They are very, very good setup and crazy credit trades that we'll be looking at for. And of course, we expect you to move fine and good. So that is there for that for today. Thank you so much for joining me once again, everybody, and do have a wonderful weekend. And then I wish you a profitable week ahead. Thank you and God bless you. Bye for now. Everybody, welcome, welcome.